the steamroller and the new engine. Liza, the new engine, was resting on a siding. "It's good to have a rest sometimes," she said. Next to her was George the steamroller. "You engines should be in a museum, not operating on a railway," he said. Liza took no notice and puffed away. "Railways are no good. Turn them into roads," said George. When Liza saw Duck, he was very cross. "Why are you so cross?" she asked. "It's George. He called me a flat green pancake earlier today, before the guard blew his whistle for me to take my passengers to the next station." "Next time you see him, ignore him, please," said Liza. That made Duck really happy. At last, the workmen reached the level crossing. "What will we do here?" one asked. "Tear it up! Tarmac it!" ordered George. Duck was coming down the line with a train of fruit to market. He didn't know that part of the track at the level crossing had been turned into a road. He tried to stop, but it was too late. He came off the rails and into a duck pond. "Oh, botheration!" he said crossly. George was rolling down the road, but he was heading to trouble. He went out of control and landed into a ditch. Sir Topham Hatt was then cross with George. "You're a very naughty steamroller," he scolded. "You have been very rude to the new engine and caused Duck to have an accident." "I'm sorry, sir," he said. "For your punishment, you will stay in your shed for 5 days. "I smell all over you." "Ditch water, ha ha ha," laughed James. George said nothing as he was being taken to the works.